Hi, everyone. I'm Kanchi from Sri Lanka, and our course is the beginner course for the Zodiac, which will be led by myself, Anastasia, and Christiana. We spent 2 weeks developing this course in Switzerland, where I had muesli for breakfast every single day. But born of this is something very special. And this course is called The Power Behind Your Name. It's almost a wake-up call, an invitation for you to look a little deeper at this small group of sounds that you turn your head to, that you respond to on an everyday basis. So we invite you to wonder, where do these sounds come from? Do they have certain qualities and bring certain vibrations into our lives? In ancient Indian practice, which they also follow now, quite a significant portion of the population, is to name a person based on the precise time that they were born and the particular position of the planets, and you are named with the corresponding sound. And this is believed to help you reach the full potential of your destiny, to help you meet your destiny with ease and without any obstacle. So I wonder, if our names were different, would we have a different destiny? Would we meet life in a different way? And what are these forces that we respond to? And we are all so different. We have different personalities, strengths, imperfections, uh, the different realm of feelings that we have. These are all aspects of gifts that are bestowed upon us by the zodiac when we come down to earth in this form. So in this course, you will be acquainted with the influence that the zodiac has upon the creation of our body parts, the forming of our body parts, in the development of the 12 senses, the virtues of mankind like devotion, patience, courage, the world views, realism, materialism. And of course, we will move eurythmy. We will move the consonants and the gestures of the zodiac, the colors, and definitely, of course, our names. And so through this course, we can see how the zodiac works in so many different ways on the life of the human being. So I invite you to come and think of it as a chance to look up into the heavens and perhaps come to a closer understanding of ourselves while we seek to understand where we came from and what we have come from.